Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. We're going to do today, I've got some pork filet, center cut, about 1 3/4 thick. We're going to throw that junk on the Weber, try our new searing grate, and also we're going to make a little bit of a mushroom onion little cream sauce to put on top of the pork chops once they're done. So let's get all this stuff opened up. Got a white onion, some mushrooms, a little asparagus and stuff there. But y'all check these chops out, man. Nice center cut, beautiful looking chops. And I got my charcoal outside getting hot. So we're gonna get this in gear, and we're gonna get the party started, y'all, back in a few. All right, gang, we got our chops seasoned up here, and again, I just used my Fiesta pork rub here. Good stuff, y'all. A little heat, a little sweet, nothing extreme. So we got them going. We'll let them sweat up a little bit while we getting the onion mushroom sauce done here. So let's see here. Medium high heat, some sweet cream butter. A couple tablespoons of that. We're gonna put a couple tablespoons of flour in here. We're just making a light roux, y'all. That's all we're doing. It's gonna be a blonde roux. I'll tell you. We'll add a little bit of chicken stock just for some flavor. All right, y'all. Got the roux rolling, man. Or gravy, what have you. Let's add a little bit of that chicken stock there. Put our onion in there. 1 whole white onion coarsely chopped. More of this chicken stock. Put our heat up a little bit on this and let it come back up to a boil. And let these onions get sweated down. Alright, go out and check the grill, y'all. We'll be back in a few. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Our little gravy looking pretty good so far, y'all. Give it a little taste and sense. Add a little shot of salt and pepper. Oh man, y'all, that's pretty good. And I did hit with a little splash of Worcestershire. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a little bit of heavy cream to it. Onions are looking nice there, nice and softened up. Oh, it's looking really good. Let's throw some mushrooms in here. About half of this little box of baby bellas. Oh yeah, baby. Get them stirred in. Heat's on low. We're gonna throw the lid on this bad boy and let it go for a little bit. Let them mushrooms soften up on low. Alright, I'll meet y'all outside. Let's go get this party started with these chops, y'all. Alright, gang. Grill's hot. Searing grate's on. I did hit it with a little bit of cooking oil. Oh yeah. Top there. We're gonna let these rock out. Probably for a couple minutes. Probably about 3 minutes. Let's see how we doing, y'all. What? Whoa, look at that, y'all. X marks the spot, y'all. Get in my belly. Alright, gang. Back in a couple minutes. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. See what we got. I want to do some asparagus on there too, y'all. Wow, so we got stuff hot. Alright, not bad. You see there? There's pretty little marks on there. Check out temp. About 94. Ooh, Lord, this is about 113. This is a little bit smaller though. Alright, y'all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these on indirect. I'm gonna flip them back on this side. We're gonna move these over here, y'all, and let them cook. Kind of slow while this asparagus and stuff cooks. Going for an internal temp of 145. All right, gang, it's been about 10 minutes. See how these chops and asparagus is doing here. You know what? Let's set that down there. Oh yeah, asparagus is looking good. I think we're gonna pull that. Yeah, baby. All right, y'all, let's temp these chops. That's the thick chop. It's about 141, y'all. We're looking for 145. The little chop is 152. We need to pull that. All right, we're gonna pull the little chop. Dude, set him off. Flip this bad boy over. We're gonna give it a couple more minutes, y'all. We close. Oh yeah, we close. Couple more minutes. All right, y'all. It's been a couple minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. It smells fantastic, y'all. Asparagus looks nice and smoky. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. $152. Hey, that's close enough, y'all. We're gonna pull it off. We're gonna go inside and plate it up, gang. Get this asparagus in the house. I'll meet y'all inside, okay? Right, gang, y'all welcome back. We got the chops pulled off. Boy, y'all check those out, man. Pretty, huh? And while that was going out there, went ahead and boiled one big, we're gonna put, potato. I don't know, I guess a couple of tablespoons of this butter stuff in here. And fresh cracked black pepper. Not measuring, just kind of eyeballing it and do it to taste. About that much. Brown sea salt, and then we're gonna put just a little shot of heavy cream in there. Just for good measure. We're gonna smash that dude up like that, y'all. It don't get no fresher than that, y'all. Homemade mashed potatoes. Alright, gang. There you go. Nice and creamy. When we get all this picked up, we're gonna plate up and we're gonna see how this junk came out, y'all. It's back in a few. Alright, gang, y'all welcome back. We are plated up. Our asparagus looks good, y'all. Went ahead and put our little mushroom onion sauce on here. Give y'all a little run around the plate here. Oh my goodness. And homemade mashed potatoes and gravy. Y'all. I can't wait to dig into this, man. Nice little sear. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, gang. Let me grab my fork and knife. We'll be right back. We're gonna dig into this stuff. Alright, gang, let's see how we did here. All that stuff looks good. Have one of these mushrooms with that sauce. It's a nice little flavor, y'all. You can definitely taste the mushrooms and the onions with that little gravy. Now let's see what we did here. Oh my goodness. And that's 10 to 2, y'all. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Y'all hang loose. We gotta get the camera off tripod for this. Yes indeed, y'all. Look at that. Man. Fantastic, y'all. Fan-freaking-tastic. Alright, gang, let's get us a little bite of this stuff here. I want to see how we did. Some of this good seared crust on this. Oh yeah, baby. And look at it, nice and it's cooked, yeah. Nice pink. Y'all know it's got a nice crust on it. Oh yeah. So come to Papa. Cheers, everybody. Mmm. 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 Oh my. Y'all, that is so freaking tender. Man, that's melting in your mouth tender. I gotta have another piece of that. Oh my goodness. Yes indeed, y'all. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Excuse me for eating in front of y'all, but damn, this is good. I mean, really good. Homemade mashed taters with that mushroom onion gravy. Mmm. Yes, indeed. Oh, and don't forget about the asparagus. Give it a shot of that. And I just hit that with some butter, salt, and pepper, y'all. Smoked it on a grilled up pecan wood. Mmm. Pork chop is the star of the show. Damn, y'all, that's good. Alright, gang, that's a wrap for the Roadhouse. Boy, everything came out so good, y'all. I'm impressed with that little pork cook there. Seared great did excellent. And I'm gonna finish my dinner here. Y'all have a great evening, and we'll see y'all next week. Thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, y'all. And hey, we appreciate you. See you next week. Anyway, hey, appreciate y'all for stopping by. I appreciate all y'all subscribing and commenting on my channels. We try to let me restart that shit.